Hello everyone, and welcome to part 2 of the Robbable Bank Vault tutorial in Roblox Studio. So far in part 1, we've only created the actual vault. So that's that. So now we are going, in this part, we're going to create the dynamite and have the door explode. So let's get right into it. So first I'm going to go to the workspace, insert a script, and I'm not going to name it anything yet. You don't even have to name it if you don't want, but I'm going to define the vault door variable. So local vault door equals workspace.vault door, and yeah, so I'm going to do that first, and then I should probably put the dynamite down. So this is a quicker way of doing it and a lot more efficient. So I'm going to do it that way. So first I am going to create a cylinder. I'm going to make it green for now, bright green, and I'm going to make it neon, and make the, what is it? Oh, transparency is 0.5. So this is kind of like, oh, click me to put on the dynamite. So I'm going to create the two sticks of dynamite. Mine is just gonna look like this, and then make it black. This one will be transparent as well, so do that. Alright, set this up. Alright, that looks a little bit big, so I'm going to scale it down. That doesn't work. That's good. It's got to be the perfect dynamite. That's fine. You can always change it. Then I'm going to group it, highlight it, then Control G. Then I'm going to ungroup that, and I'm going to name all the pieces. So this part is going to be named top. I'm just going to call it top instead of fuse. It's a little less confusing. And stick 1. It doesn't matter what number stick it is. It just matters that they're different names. And stick 2. So I'm going to highlight it, then Control G. So now we have our one stick of dynamite. For this tutorial, there's going to be 4 on each side. Each 1, 2, 3, 4. Each corner. This is somewhat of a big piece of dynamite, but that's what you need when you're exploding a massive golden vault. So yeah, and that's about right. Alright, so we have one here, and I'm gonna name this piece of dynamite Dynamite B for bottom. Then I'm going to rotate this one. These are massive pieces of dynamite. That's alright. Sticks of dynamite. This one is going to be dynamite R for dynamite right, and then dynamite left. So spin this thing, dynamite L, and then one more dynamite T, and that'll be for dynamite top. Where's the stick on this one? The top. Oh, this one might be a little. Oh wait, it's a little blind here, forgive me. Yeah, so that's the dynamite T. So we have all our dynamites. I am going to insert a click detector inside each one of them. Alright, we have a click detector in each one. Alright. I'm just going to anchor everything. Whoa, what was that? I'm going to anchor everything. So, we got our dynamite. So what's going to happen is you're going to click on a stick of dynamite, and it's going to turn red and black. And turn transparency to 0, so it looks like it's real. And, yeah, and then the fuse is going to catch fire, and that's what's going to happen. So, next I am going to define the sticks of dynamite. So, local, I'm just going to call it DB for short, Dynamite bottom, so db lowercase dynamite b equals workspace dot dynamite b local dt equals whoa, I can't type today. Local dr equals workspace dot dynamite right, and local dl equals workspace dot dynamite l. So then we are going to do the events for when things are clicked. So db dot click detector dot mouse click connect and function right here. Alright, we have our Dynamite bottom function created. Now we need to do our dt dot click detector dot mouse click connect function. I will explain what's going on at the end after I'm done creating the functions, and then dt dot click detector, no, dr dot click detector, my bad, dr dot click detector dot mouse click connect function, and then dl dot click detector dot mouse click connect function. Alright, so basically what's going on in this script, what's going on in this script is we're defining the vault door, which is the vault door variable, so workspace.vault door, so you go to workspace, then vault door, which is this. And then we are defining the dynamite stick, so local db equals workspace.dynamite b. So dynamite b here, yeah, defining all this, and then dt, dr, dl, so dynamite top, dynamite right, dynamite l. And then what's going on here is dynamite bottom dot click detector, so it's going from the dynamite bottom to click detector. Then when the click detector is clicked, so dot mouse click, connect it to this function. So then we have our function down here, and it does stuff. Yeah, so that's that. So let's get started on lighting the fuse, and yeah. So on click, I'm going to do local fire b, so fire bottom equals instance.new. I will explain what this means at the end. Fire, and then fire b dot parent equals db dot top. So it's saying, so the fire b variable is going to be instance.new fire. So instance.new means create a new thing, and that new thing is going to be fire, which is an effect like this. Simply just putting it in wherever it spawned. I don't think it spawns if it's not on a part, but yeah. So seeing that, then it's parenting it, so putting the fire into dynamite b, then the top of dynamite b. So we got that. So we're just gonna do that again. So Control C, Control V here, make that fire T, and fire T, and this is gonna be fire R. Oops. Then fire L. One moment. Alright, to whomever may be watching this, I have returned, and sorry for that delay, but yeah, let's get back to it. So just define the fire left, fire left, and we have done all that. So yeah, let's test this out. Let's hope this works. So right now it should light on fire. Just light, not do anything. What? These are lighting the wrong ones. There's like 8 different fires in there. Hold on. So dynamite B. Hold on. Whoa, that's a lot of fire. I definitely forgot to change something. Oh. Yeah. Alright, so change this to DT, change this to DR, and change this to DL. Now, this should work. Let's hope it does, because if it doesn't, that kinda sucks. So, we got this. Click. Alright. Click, click, and click. Nice. It works. Looks a little funky, but that's alright. It almost looks like it's upside down. Oh well. That's alright. Alright, let's do this. So next we want it to appear so it doesn't look like it's green dynamite. It's red dynamite, and it's solid. So, inside these functions, I'm going to do, so db, so dynamite bottom dot top, whoa, yeah, dot top dot transparency equals 0, db dot stick 1 dot transparency equals 0, and db dot stick 2 dot transparency equals 0. So now they are they're not transparent at all. So now we just have to change the color, and yeah, so I believe it is db dot top. We don't have to change the top because it's already black, but so db dot stick 1 dot brick color equals brick color dot new red, really red. And then let's hope this works. I'm just going to copy, paste it, and make this stick 2. Now, let's hope that this works. So we are loading in. Oh yeah, gotta change the material. Alright, because it's neon. So it works. The color changing works, but we have to change the material. So db.stick, db.top, we'll start with top, dot material equals enum.material we'll get back to you once I figure it out. Alright, I have figured this out. So let's get to it. So db.top.material equals enumeration.material dot. Alright, yeah. I'm gonna change the plastic just because why not? I don't understand why there has to be one, but you know, it's just how it is, so you just go with the flow. So db.stick1.material equals enum.material.plastic, and db.stick2.material equals enum.material.plastic. Alright, we have that. That should work. We'll copy and paste everything into the other functions in a moment. That is if this works. So let's check it. Oh, wrong side. Nice. Alright, we have special dynamite now. Alright, so that works. So that means I'm going to take this code, copy it, paste it into here, and instead of db, it will be dt. So change all that. Oops, not that. dt. Alright, then we will come over here, and make this a dr, oh, alright, then over here it will be L, so DL, 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 DL. Alright, so let's see if that makes everything look like it's not needing to be placed. Alright, let's go for it. Keep going wrong side. Nice, 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 and nice. Woohoo! Now, next what we have to do is we have to do the timer. That is a lot of fun. We have to do the timer, make it blow up, and shoot the door over here. And then you gain access to the vault. There will be a roof, don't worry. Yeah. Alright, we got that. So, this one's a little bit wonky. I just kinda, I've already tested this. I put if statements in each function just so it runs the if statement when you click a certain one to check. So when you click a Dynamite, it runs the if statement inside the function to see if for Dynamite is placed. So you can click it in any order you want. So you'll see how it works. But I do have to explain this brick colors part. So and the material. So db.stick1.brick color. So it's going to dynamite b dot stick1 dot brick color. Change that, and then in parentheses and quotation marks really red to change the stick to really red, and that. And yeah, then material is enum.material.plastic. I don't really understand that, so it's enum. I think that means enumerations. Dot material. So the top. So db dot top dot material dot plastic. But right now it's neon because yeah. I hope you understand. So next we are going to create the amount placed. Oh wait, gotta create the variable. Local amount placed equals 0. Just gonna start out as 0. So we are going to do an if statement. If amount, wait, no, we need to add. So amount placed equals amount placed plus 1. So, whoa. So we want the vault to like open. We need it to explode when there are 4 dynamite placed. So if amount placed equals 4, then we gotta change the position of this. So of the vault door. So I'm just gonna get some measurements for it. Yours aren't gonna be exact unless you figured out how to make your position the exact one. So what you're gonna do is you are going to take out your vault door and place it how you want it to be, as if place it how you want it to be when it falls down. So for me, I'm not gonna make it too crazy. I'm just gonna make a ramp because why not? I am going to look in the vault door properties. Oh no, my mouse is loading. That's not, something's going on. I'm gonna go in here. Then I'm gonna go to position and click on the numbers. It's already gonna highlight all of it, so just Control C, copy it. Then I'm going to go to vault door dot position. No, not parent. Vault door dot position equals vector 3 dot new. Copy paste paste the position you just copied in, and vault door dot orientation equals whatever. So we're gonna go back into the properties of the vault door. As it is down, look for orientation 0075. Not complicated. And then vector 3 dot new. There. Now that should work. Alright. Hopefully this, no, it's not gonna work yet. But alright. So we are going to copy and paste this information, this code, and paste it into all of the other functions. Alright, let's hope this works. Oh, I know, we forgot to replace the vault door. I knew I was forgetting something. So right here, you gotta put it back to its original position, obviously, or else what's the point? So I just Control Z, undo, or click that, or you can replace it yourself. It's just a lot quicker to do Control Z. Yeah, so now let's test it. Let's hope this works. Always going the wrong way. Alright, light. Yay! Now, you're like, whoa, that exploded pretty quick. You could finish here, but I'm gonna do it this way. So I'm gonna make it so there's a wait instead of immediately blowing up. I'm gonna make it wait 10 seconds, because why not? Then after that, I'm going to do, so we need to add a fire to the vault door and make these dynamites disappear, because we do not want that dynamite to still be there floating. So it's gonna wait 10 seconds, then it is going to do db, so db dot transparent whoa dude, what are you doing? db dot, oh wait, you can't change the transparency for a model, so you have to go do it for every stick and top. So db.stick1.transparency equals 0. Then db.stick2.transparency equals 0. And db.top equals transparency equals 0. Excuse me. So we don't want them to be able to click the click detector again. So we are going to do db.clickDetector.click. Wait, no. db.clickDetector.max activation distance. Alright. Max activation distance equals 0. So people can't click it anymore. 0 suds. So that's that. And then we are going to do, we're going to set the vault door on fire. So local vault fire equals instance.new vault fire. Wait, no, what am I thinking? I was just thinking it'd be a lot more efficient to just make all these if statements go to a certain function that does all this instead of copy and pasting and all. But we're already too deep. So local vault fire equals instance.new fire. So we're creating a fire, and its variable is vault fire, and the vault fire dot parent equals vault door. All right, so that should work. What was that sound? All right, we're gonna copy and paste that into everything, all the other if statements. Not very efficient, but you know, it is what it is. Now we're gonna click play, and let's see if, oh, I know what I did. I forgot to change all the specifications for the dynamite. So this is db, wait, no, db.stick transparency, because it's just making the bottom dynamite transparency 0 and making the activator at the max activation distance 0 only for the bottom one. So this one's db, alright, so this one's dt. So let's change all that. So dt. Alright, this one is dr, and then dl. Sorry, I don't know. I'm thinking a little slow today. I don't know why, but yeah. So we got that. So now it should work. The door should wait 10 seconds, and then the door will explode. And yeah. I think we might have. Oh, I know what happened. I put the wait here, so you got to put it at the beginning of the function, at the beginning of the if statement, because it will wait after everything, all the properties are changed. I mean, it will wait after the door is destroyed. That's an oopsie. Why is this here? Why is this double? Oh boy. Hopefully this works. Looks a little wonky, but you know. Wait, 10. And one more. I think that's all. Alright, let's hope I'm not forgetting anything this time, because that would be fortunate. Alright, 1, 2, 3, and a 4. Alright, should wait 10 seconds. The fires are going. And explode soon in a sec. Nice, alright. I have no idea why these didn't go transparent and why I can still click them. Except that one. I definitely I see what happened. Alright, let's see what's going on here. Alright, we're chilling down there. Alright. Except it always has these pass values not a function every time I do something, but you know. Alright. So I see that the top one is fine. So dt dot top. I do not understand. I do not understand why those are not going transparent. Oh, I think I see what's going on here. I think what we have to do is make it so all of them go transparent, because the if statement is only happening when this certain function is called. So the fourth dynamite you click on, that's when the if statement is called. So we have to make it so changes everything, and yeah, so I'm gonna click on the left one last, so that one you shouldn't be able to click in 10 seconds. Sweet. Alright. Yeah, you can't click this one. I have no idea why it's not going transparent. Maybe there was a typo or something. That transparency. Oh my gosh. I set it to 0. It's supposed to be a 1. Someone was probably thinking that the entire time. Yeah. I always see a lot of Roblox Studio tutorials, like they're making mistakes and I don't catch it, like very simple type of mistakes. And I'm like, what are you doing? And I see now. I see now. Alright. Now let's hope this works, because now let's get it going. Alright, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4. It's gonna be 10 seconds in a second. Not a second, a few seconds. This is gonna blow up in a moment. Alright, I see. So now we see that the fire doesn't disappear with it, so we'll have to make that, we'll have to destroy that. But this happened, that went transparent. So 2 things on our list. Make it so that each stick of dynamite goes transparent instead of the one in the specific function. So that'll take a second, but we can do it. And we have to make sure to destroy the fire when it happens. So that's a lot of code to create, but you know, let's just do it. So no, I'm gonna do it at the bottom. So dt, so we're doing, no, I'll do it at the top. It'll be a little easier for me. So, alright. So we have the dynamite B, so dt dot top. Hold on, let me just copy and paste all this. What are you doing? Yeah. So change you to dt, 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 dt. Alright. Then we need to do it again. dt, dr, 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 and then dl. Alright. Let's hope this one works. Oh wait, it's not gonna work unless I hit it on the bottom one last. We just have to copy and paste that, change it up a little bit, and paste it into every other if statement. Alright, so works as predicted. That's pretty good. Now we just have to destroy the fire after copy and pasting all this stuff in. Oh no. Alright, so it has DT already. So we need to replace DT with DB. Whoa. Alright, now we need to go in here and just take you in my big brain. Take you, put you in there. So DB instead of DB, it's gonna be no DT, so DT. So we have DR. DR is already in here. Hold on, my big brain has failed me. Big brain moment. So we have DR, DT, DB. We need our DB. Big brain moment. Alright, now one more. I believe you have to apply big brain move again. So we've got DL, so we need a DR. Alright, so let's test this out. I'm just gonna hit it randomly. Then after this we destroy the fire, and that's that. And then next part we have to make it so you can actually rob the vault. I didn't test how I wanted, but I know it's gonna work. So yeah, let's see if this works. Yoo-hoo! Alright, now we have these 4 balls of fire that we need to destroy. And we're gonna need to destroy the dynamite as well. We have 2 things on our list. You know, the transparency. Why didn't I think about this? Transparency. We're gonna have to turn on the can collide. Just because. Alright. That might add another few minutes, but oh, that's alright. So here we need to do this is gonna take a moment. Alright, DL dot top dot can collide equals true. DL dot stick 1 dot can collide equals true. DL, why is it D1? Did I? Honestly. Alright, we have that. Now we just need to copy paste this part to here. Make you a DR, and DR. Copy paste you into here. You make you a DT, and a DT. Then copy paste you into there. Make you a DB. Why don't we do the fire one as well? That's a large if statement. Where is the part where I create the what? Oh, here. So fire B. DB dot quick detector dot max activation. Alright, I forgot to change the max activation distance for DB here. So DB dot BB fire B destroy. No, we don't need to destroy the fire. That's why we did the can collides. Oh my gosh, I can't think today. Alright, got this down. Now we're gonna redo that process. I apologize. Alright, so here's T. And then we already have the DT, so DB. And DRDL. Then we need a yeet over here. So we have, so there's gotta be a, DR, DT, there's gonna be DB, DB, let me check one thing. Alright, so we have, this is DL, so DL. Then we have top, so it's gotta be DB, no, that is DL. Alright, let's hope this works, and that is, did I delete an end? I think I did. What is going on? I think Alright, that was scary. Not really, but sure. Alright, let's test this. This should work. We remove the fire and we are able to walk through it. Alright. Moment of truth in about 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah. Forgot to destroy the fire. Ha, that's kind of funny. Because I thought I did. Yeah, but I didn't. I did not at all. I wonder if there's a fire, if there is a... Just change the properties instead of destroying it. Heat, alright. Size 0. No, it's still a thing. Just gotta destroy it. Oh well. Oh darn. That's alright. That's gonna be few more minutes. Already at 38 minutes. Wow, that's a lot of minutes. This is a long video. I apologize. Really shouldn't take this long. But, fire B. Destroy. Fire T. You're kidding me. I have to create entirely new variables. Alright, I don't have to. So, wherever it says fire, destroy. Whenever you're defining a fire variable, destroy the local. Makes it global. Global meaning any function can access it instead of the only function it has. Alright. Fire L, why are you freaking out? Why are you blue? Global fire L is only using consider changing it to local. No, it's about to be used a lot. So I'm not gonna do that. Fire B, fire D, fire B, destroy. Fire B, destroy. Alright. Fire T, destroy. Then we're gonna do fire R, destroy, and over here, fire L, destroy. Now we need to do that for 3 more functions. DT, alright. Fire T, destroy. Fire B, destroy. Fire R, destroy. And fire L, destroy. And then fire. Alright, we have this. Fire R, destroy. Fire T, destroy. Fire B, destroy. And fire L, destroy. One more function, let's do this. Fire L, destroy. Fire T, destroy. Fire R, destroy. And this fire B, that's not fire B. Fire, no, what? Destroy. Alright, let's hope this works now, because that is needed. 41 minutes, 22 seconds. Oh, I didn't see the fire. I'm like, oh no. Oh no, what happened there? Nice! Alright, well that's that. I swear this can't collide. It's really... I'll fix it in the next part. Because it really should be collidable. No, it's supposed to be false. It's supposed to be false. How did I mess that up? Alright, we are going to do the replace and true. So, false. Where to find, type true in the top, false in the bottom. Alright, that made replacing all the trues with falses a lot easier. Alright. Now, let's hope for the best. Alright, that works. Nice, alright. Yoo-hoo! Alright, everyone, thanks for watching part 2. I will get back to you on part 3 when we create the money system where you can jump in here, grab all the cash, diamonds, whatever you want in here, and you'll have a cool GUI in the bottom right corner. Whatever you want, of course. Alright, thanks for watching, and see you later.